When to expect the iPhone 9 SE 2? If you believe the sources of Tom's Guide and TechRadar, then we will see a new phone at the end of this or in the first half of next month. At least Tim Cook says Apple is not afraid of the coronavirus, and is once again deploying its manufacturing facilities in China. However, given the fact that the number of cases is only growing all over the world, due to which many of the largest exhibitions have been cancelled, it is likely that the release date will shift to April to May. How much will it cost? Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo predicts that the future device will cost $399. If this turns out to be true, then the new iPhone will be $50 cheaper than the iPhone 8 and as much as $300 cheaper than the iPhone 11 as standard. Specifications. It is estimated that the new Apple smartphone will have a 4.7-inch IPS display. For the sake of cheaper devices, the company decided to abandon the more expensive OLED matrix in this model. The device itself will be noticeably larger than the original SE, but almost 1.5 inches smaller than modern flagships. Another source only confirms the possible future appearance of the device. Here we again see the display with frames and Touch ID.